shit.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. See
See
me
me,
out.
Jack.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am.
All
With
right.
a,
Yes, yes, sir.
with
So,
my glass, I am.
Ross. So, all right then. Could you fix up so we could just see your top? Yeah, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, perfect.
Glass,
Perfect.
yeah, glass, yeah.
Yes, yes. So first of all, my general, just have to give thanks for you to come in here to join us on this little platform. But you know what we're trying to do is something big and major, which is to pay homage to people like you, living legends in this culture of reggae dancer that we love so much, right?
Yeah, man, give thanks, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give thanks, give thanks. It's
Okay,
an
so
honor. It's an honor, you know.
yes, man. Well, the feeling is more of an honor for me, of course, because in terms of who you are in my mind when it comes to artists, you are right up there, right? It's just, you know how the reggae dancehall game is. We don't, and especially Jamaican culture, we do not like to give props where it's due, and most importantly, when it's due, you know?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
when
thanks.
Marcus Garvey was alive, nobody cared
Right.
about him until him gone. That's when
Yeah,
people began to, you know, to appreciate him. So I'm just trying to do what I can here and now while you're with us. So this is very important.
and I'm grateful for that, you know. I'm
Yes,
grateful for that.
yes,
Great.
yes. So
Yes.
just before we get into what we're about to get to here, would you please just reintroduce yourself to the people then to let us know what it is you're working with now?
Well, right now, me have some new stuff out there right now. Me have a song by the name of Oh Lord, you know. But that song under the name Sir Ford, because right now I am Sir Ford, aka Ninja Ford.
Yes,
I
sir.
me have when the pressure is on, me have one name, go and talk. Me have a lot of new stuff out there, you know.
Yes,
And some
yes.
of the new stuff we also release soon.
Yes, sir. Well, we we are waiting for it because what I, you know, one good thing is that, I mean, as far as I can go back to your career starting in 1991. Is that correct?
Right, right,
Yes.
right.
So I can go back as far as then, and I've never can pinpoint a time when Ninja Ford or now Sir Ford has never been in the game. You're always relevant, and it's never been a case of where people are like, so whatever happened to this guy or rare, you've always been there. So, you know, congratulations, because that's what,
Give
30 odd
give
years.
thanks. I give thanks. You know that the eye always a pick up hype on the eye radar, musical radar, should say.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
because sometime I buck up on some of the people, you know, and them a ask me, what a go on, you still a sing? You know, I'm on them for know say from the moment from the moment you're coming at this music game, you know, or forward in this music game as a true artist,
yes,
you're going to always be an artist. You're not gonna stop. You know,
yes,
so I am one of the real artists. Them music is my work. You
yes,
know,
yes, yes.
music is my job. You know, doing music, that's my occupation. And that me live off of. That put my pot on fire. You know, and
Yes,
that clothes me. And that
indeed,
feed me. Everything for me. You see what
indeed,
I say?
indeed.
Yes, man.
Uh-huh. So one thing I'd like to say is that when I've spoken to certain other artists, let's say Roned, for instance, Roned is
Yes,
from Monster Shock.
yes,
So and Lugaman them and Kid Corrupt from Dirty Cup. But what I try my best to do is separate them artists there from the crew so we know them as an individual so we can appreciate them individually. So in
yes,
your case, of course, when we first heard your name and first heard your voice, nobody was going to ever divorce your name from the name and the legacy of Ninja Man, right?
right, right, right.
Yes. You know,
And
everybody has inspiration. So, you know,
yeah,
who better to be inspired by one of the very best ever? So,
right, right, right.
yes. So what I will try to do my best to do here is to separate people's link between you and him, because when I do my thing, what I do here, I don't just play a regular tune then where you can get on iTunes or Rare. So I won't be playing tune like Return and them sitting there.
Right.
Yes, sir. We have to go deeper to find out who you are as an artist and an individual entity. So
well deep, way out of ocean.
yeah, man. So I think the first time I might have heard you, the tune when you move, was that the first one when I was a little baby with that tune there?
I would say that is one of the early songs.
Yes.
That song is when me I would say still a train and a practice, because I train and practice and enough of the melody them when Ninja Man do him song them, you know, like that one when Ninja Man have his song name
the Sound Killer Business. When I was a little stereo.
I don't remember the exact name, but I know is talking about the song. When I was a little stereo,
yeah,
I listened
that's the
to
one, yeah.
So I make my own after that when I was a little baby, you know?
Yes.
And at the time when I was doing that, as I say, I was still practicing to master the craft.
Yes,
but you know, the thing about it back in the days, every song where you find yourself with as an artist, the producer them back in the days, them allow you to voice it. It's not like now, if you go a studio now for go voice and them hear one of the early song them, you know, them going turn you back and say no, that sound like that. Sound like that man the song. Back in the days, them no business where it sound like from the song sound good.
Yes.
Yes, I say. You're not business about melody where it come from or anything.
No, of course not.
From the song is a good song. And up to today, I want to make you know that song is one of my biggest songs. A lot of people don't know that song, you know, but that song is one of my biggest songs. But the first song that I record is a song named Pass the Coffee Make Me Put In the Dead. You know? We are bridging by the name of Earl from Aquarius record shop.
See,
you know? You remember Aquarius record shop in Halfway Tree?
I was a youth them time there, so I would not know. I know there was a queer sound system that was in the UK, but that's, you know.
Okay, well, back in the days, in the early 90s, you know, you did have a record shop out there by the name of Aquarius.
Yes.
You know, run by a man named Earl. You know, I mean, have a label by the name of Duke Record. You know, so that is the first man we bring me to the recording studio and record me. So the first song me sing is a song named Pass the Coffin when me put in the dead. Them a big up them chest like them heavy done lead. You know, that is my first recording.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. All right then. So I'm not gonna go to the first one, but I'm gonna go to one of the first one. And one of the first ones that I heard and I pay attention to, and I was like, okay, this is, it sounds like Ninja, but I know it's not Ninja, but it's just as bad, because when it comes to the 45 thing, the way you tune them was structured, anybody who didn't know would think it was Ninja Man, but that's because it was that good, because Ninja Man, and I'm not, you know, he's one of the best to ever did it. So, yeah, man.
Right.
So,
and up to today, a lot of people, you know, hear songs with me, you know, and them don't know say it's not Ninja Man.
yes.
You know, like for instance, me have a song when he Step Aside. We no pet and we no powder, me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them, think about the earth. We no pet and we no powder, me say neither nurse. Think about the coffin, tell them, think about the step aside. When you see Ninja powder ride, step aside. Mind you get me from me wrong side, step aside. DJ boy, me ya uno on no side, step aside. That go and go no. Lyrics in no Clyde, step aside. Mind you end up like Bonnie Young Clyde. Me no pet and me no powder, me say neither nurse. A lot of people think that is Ninja Man song. Because that song, we do that song from in the early 90s. So you know, so that song there, one of the gold song. Me now call it old song. I one of the gold song them. A whole heap of years now. Crocus bag of years now since that road.
Definitely.
And I just the other day a youth I said to me, say, you know, say all these years me think a Ninja Man do that song there. I mean I said no, my song. You see me I said people don't know the difference. A lot of people don't know the difference between Ninja Fort songs and Ninja Man songs.
Well, we're gonna go into the difference right now.
Because you have this big this big similarity with me and Ninja Man voice, you know.
Yes.
The two
yes.
sound
Definitely.
like that. I see a lot of comment more time people are listen to some of the collaboration then with me and him, and them I say them can't tell the difference.
Yes.
When it comes to the voice, them don't know who a DJ is from who a DJ this. You know?
Yes, indeed. Madness.
It's a blessing, you know. It's a blessing. Of course,
definitely.
Yeah. I don't have it as a curse. I have it as a blessing.
Definitely. No doubt. Definitely. Yeah. And by the way, Step Aside just happens to be my favorite Ninja Ford song. So
yeah, good song.
Love that tune there. We play, you know. Kami's a boy. When I juggle tune it, let's say in a dance, I don't play regular like most people, and I'm a 90s specialist. So when I go into them that tune there, we bust up every dance and we must play that tune there. See it?
Yeah,
so,
them song there are some big bad mighty song in a dance song.
Proper. Yes, for real.
I can't remember once upon a time, you know, every day I used to hear them song they play on radio. Yes. And almost every dance me got. Used to hear Step Aside from the top 10 rhythm. Me used to hear Terror Fabulous song.
Yes.
Woman again in the top 10 and Red Dragon have a song. Red Dragon have a song for the same rhythm there name. When them see you and your man now walk, them song they always a play. Yes, I hear my own chip in. Me no better, me no powder, me say nice. Yeah, man. Great vibe.
Yeah, man. Love it, star. Love it. All right, yes, then. So boom. Love it. So, okay. So I'm going to play song number 1. So I would like you to talk about how the song came about and as much as you can remember, you know, what it was like working with the producer, with the studio, and with any other collaboration artists. So this is going to be the first one, right? Yes. And it's going to be, this one, when I'm going to play it, it's going to be different to how everybody remembers it, because I've made a little edit so we hear your part quicker. So, all right.
Yeah, go on a road.
Song number 1, ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend that is Sir Ninja Ford. This is Madness Ayaka. You are one of my idols from long time. All right, hold on there. This is song number 1. Ear tune, people.
Now hear this. You little boy, we are talking them little fat, the boy, you are dog, I tell them something, man. Watch your speech and what you talk, yeah, man. Original power man and Ninja Ford for them case, come cross your power, man. Watch your Ninja Ford. Watch what tell the boy them. So me have the innocent face. Me gun pam me waist. As a boy disrespect him, better shot in 9 face. Innocent face with me gun pam me waist. As a boy disrespect me, just deal with him. Them don't know where I go on here, man. Must please I gun. Them tell the boy them.
Listen, people.
Yo, none of these eyes are the gun of the man back of the gun. Me in a shot them from now till the morning. Come on, these eyes are the gun of the man back of the gun. Me in a shot them from now till the morning. Come me up. How me know say me a article done. And me shot the boy, me say in a Portland. Me shot off the boy 2 foot and him hand. Pull up. Gun me down, me lick him with me finger, we shape like a magnum. All now the lily boy him dumb, I know the size of the gun of the man.
All right. Bad. All right. That song you know, or that song you come about.
Yes.
All right. In the early days of my career, you know, me used to go to Black Scorpio studio because even the name Ninja Ford, it come about right at Black Scorpio studio.
See,
you know, because all the name Ninja Ford come about. My brethren when him Simple Simon, he passed away, but big him up. The man they do a very great thing for me in a life.
Yes.
That the man will introduce me to the business. Him take me to Jack Scorpio school studio. We meet Johnny Osborne and and him talk about me. Him tell Johnny Osborne, say, this youth sound like Ninja Man. Johnny Osborne asks, what is it? his name. And Simple Simon said to him, Glenford, you know, and him say, like him sound like Ninja Man. Ninja Ford him for name.
Wow.
So at the same time now going to Jack Scorpio's studio, I meet up Power Man. At the time, Power Man was a bigger artist than me, you know. Power Man have sung on radio play them time. They never have no song I play on radio. But because of the absence of Ninja Man at the time, you know, because Ninja Man that foreign at the time can't come to Jamaica. Because you know, I'm in little trouble up there.
Issue, yeah.
And the people them start gravitate to me, you know, as Ninja Man son, because I'm coming at the business start telling people them say, Ninja Man is my father, before not even Ninja Man in person, you know. So at the time, me act, not tell a lie. The whole of the sound man them a gravitate to me. Stone Love, So Patient, the whole of the big sound them a voice dub play with me.
Yeah.
So Power Man said to me, say, Ninja Ford, make a voice a song, you know. And we just go in at the studio and I saw the Innocent Face come about.
Wow.
You know? Yeah, man. Quick and fast.
Wow.
Because me done have the lyrics already, you know. Him did already have him lyrics, you know. So we just go in there and it just happen like that. Quick and fast. Lesson 3. Yeah, man. And I want to know that song now is one of the first song we start create a big thing in the dancehall and the dancehall scene. You know, cause I can remember one at a time we got Queens, you know, school barbecue, you know, go perform and me draw that song around here and me I tell her say me get one big elevator forward, one world forward after that song Innocent Face. And a lot of sound man used to link with to do that dub plate there. Big up Power Man. Big up Power Man. Anyway you're there in the world, stand up my boss. Big up yourself. Because you're one of the first big artists we do a collaboration with Ninja Ford. Yeah. Big up yourself, my brother.
Power Man a good youth, big time, sir. Big time.
Power Man a great youth. Good youth.
He actually did mention, I spoke to him before and he did mention, because him did have 2 songs on the rhythm. He had the tune there with you and the next tune we invited called Tighter Tap or something. So I played the Tighter Tap tune and he spoke about, so he did mention you see him with. So yeah. So thank you for confirming that. Yes. Boom, 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 boom.
I'm a brother, man. Yes. Brother from another mother.
Yes. Boom, boom, boom. All right then. So thank you for clearing that one up. Madness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the living legend that is Sir Ford. All right. Ninja Ford. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go into song number 2. So I will confess I was going to play Step Aside. Yes. But I've seen other interviews with you and you've spoken about this already. So I thought, all right then, we're going to go our next route because I want you to talk about your working relationship with Bobby Digital, but not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. Right now, I want you to discuss your working relationship with another super producer and another big artist. And this was this song released in 1992. Which is in the time where the Ninja Ford fire was burning at this point. So now you're putting out some tune and we know, yes, this is Ninja Ford and the tune. Yeah. So, all right. So this is song number 2. So let's just roll with this one. Let's see what you have to say about this one, sir.
Yeah, man, I hear them talking about name brand, but remember name brand get brand, and then a band does be done. Even the yeah, man, new brand style and new brand pattern. Watch ya, yeah, you mean? I want new top, I want new brand pattern. Where them call it a miss man, I want new top, I want new brand pattern. Where them call it a miss man, boy, ya be the TT man, miss a man, boy, ya be the junglist man, miss a man, boy, ya be the spanglers man, miss a man, boy, ya be the rockport man, miss a man. Oh, you be the Tower Hill man, Mr. Man. Oh, you be the Mar Road man. You coulda come from any region. Coulda even come from over England. Coulda even come from over Cayman. Coulda even come from over Japan. You a fit up to the article one. The article one are the one, Mr. Man. Nobody pose up on me right hand. Cause you a deal with real poison from a one new top.
Okay. All right. That song, you know, how that song I come about. As you can hear, you know, the song, the slang, Mr. Man. At the time, Mr. Man was the slang where the people are run with at Jamaica, you know.
Yes.
So that is the whole inspiration behind this song, you know. The producer, Jonah Reid,
Exactly.
you know. Big up Mr. Reid. Big up Mr. Reid. One blood.
So,
one blood. One blood. One blood. All right, Mr. Reid.
So how did the link come with you and Mr. Reid? So was it a thing where like he build the rhythm and say, yo, are you me want to know? Was it,
think,
you know?
all right. Most of the people them were rate Ninja Man.
Yeah.
Them end up rate me too.
See.
You know? So one at a time me and Ninja Man used to par up and down, you know. So we used to go to Mr. Reid's studio, you know, and I saw the link, man. Right, that's the link. By me and Ninja Man going to Mr. Reid's studio.
Yes.
Mr. Reid and Ninja Man have a great vibe. And Mr. Reid said, youth, see rhythm here. Jump on rhythm.
All right.
I mean, jump on rhythm and dip on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb.
Yes, sir.
What's that thing?
Yes, because if I remember correctly, Ninja Man was voicing an album for Junior Reid anyway at the time.
Yes.
And it wasn't long after Sting where Ninja Man did bring you onto the stage where you and him perform.
Yes.
And so we had the video that came out into the UK, but unfortunately with the footage on the video, they didn't, you know, the part where you were in wasn't on the video.
Sabotage.
It was on the tape. Yeah, but it was on the tape. And my ears you mash up Sting.
Yes. That is one of the biggest moments in my career, my boss.
Yes.
At that Sting.
Yes.
Send me a road.
Wow.
Yeah, man. That is something I can't forget.
Yes.
That is one of the, if it's not the biggest moment in my career.
Wow.
You know, because remember, you know, Ninja Man, my artist, my idol.
Yeah.
My hero. At that night, me meet him. You know? That night was the first time in my life I meet Ninja Man, you know.
See,
you know?
All right.
I used to just hear about Ninja Man, you know. You see me I say? So but the thing about it, you know, before me coming at the business, me always I say Ninja Man and my father.
Yes.
So the night now, me over Sting, you know, because I'm working at the early part.
See.
You know. And then after Ninja Man crucify Super Cat now, me hear Ninja Man say, where my son there? People, me hear say me have one son here, you know, me don't know him. And him me hear say I defend me when me da foreign. Come up my son, Ninja Ford.
Wow.
That time me a foot them a shake, you know. Foot them a shake like tree, you know. Because watching at the first time in my life, me I go in front of such a big crowd. Because although I'm working at the early part, you know, so the early part of Sting, you know, go have that amount of crowd.
Yes.
Like in the late part. Because the late part, when Ninja Man and Super Cat clash.
Everybody in there.
Yes.
Ram.
Dog, fowl, puss, cow, rat.
Everything.
all the animal them, because the people them bring all them dog and then cow come and sting to, you know, because everything, this is a world clash, you know.
Wow.
So everything have to witness this clash.
Wow.
Anyway, the man call me on stage and the man, me have on my felt because me dress, me well dressed, you know, like a dress post, you know, because me I say, no, big Sting this. So when I go up on the stage, you know, I say, take off your felt, my son. And I go, so boom, and take off the felt. And Ninja Man say, people, him have the birthmark. And my son, yes. Oh, and you know, Ninja Man is a very humorous artist.
Definitely.
I really entertain. Them say, oh, your mother, my son. And I say, mama, good. I draw a lyrics, you know. Enough of them never did want to see me a Ninja Man turn friend. Them did want to see Ninja Man come from foreign and chew me in the lion den.
Yes.
But in the eyes of the people, enough of them they want me father for dead. I mean, I tell us that 4 line there, you know, my boss.
Yes.
Biggest forward, world forward, mate. Swirl so.
Yes.
And the next day after that, every corner you go on.
Yeah.
All over the world.
Yeah.
Ninja 4 turned into a superstar now.
Yeah,
because of the great
yeah.
Ninja Man.
Yeah.
Ninja Man, anywhere you're there, stand up.
Yeah, of course. Godfather. Godfather.
Yes. Yes.
And you see, a DJ like Ninja Man, Ninja Man has many children in the game. You know, for example, you, Mad Cabra, Bounty Killer, Merciless, a whole heap of picnic. Ninja Man have, you know? So
but
crazy.
I think I am the closest one to him.
Of course, definitely, no doubt. You know.
So maybe although Cabra maybe is a older man than me, but I am Ninja Man.
Yeah,
first.
The closest, no doubt. There's no, no doubt.
Out of everybody, I think me and him do the most collaboration out of everybody. Him and Bounty do collaboration, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know if him and Cabra ever do a collaboration, you know. I don't know about that part. But me and him have more than 6 collaboration.
Yeah.
Yeah, whole heap of collaboration, me and Ninja Man.
Yes, of course, yeah. It's not just Return alone, yeah.
The last collaboration we do is a song named Baby a Road. The John Jamin son. That is the last collaboration we do.
Yeah,
man. Yes, man.
All right then, so boom, thank you for clearing that one up. So you worked a lot of your best work comes out of the Bobby Digital stable, you know?
Yeah. Yes.
And I'm just wondering, maybe it's not a question for you to answer. Maybe it's Bobby Digital who we can't ask anymore because unfortunately he's gone. But the motor song you did have on Bobby Digital, I'm surprised there wasn't an album. Can you have a song with Digital?
Yes, it's a lot of song, you know, because sometimes some of the songs that we record for him, I don't even remember them.
Yes. Okay.
You know? So surprise. So you surprised there wasn't an album, you know. You have a right to surprise because him have more than an album with me.
Definitely.
Could have put out an album. But I don't know why he never put out an album with me. You know, that would be great, you know, great.
Yeah, definitely.
A Bobby Digital this.
Yes.
The big man.
Yes.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah, one of the greatest producers of all time.
No doubt.
Yes.
I believe that is true. Bobby Digital Shabba pick up in Grammy. That's my own personal belief.
Right. But Bobby boss a lot of artists.
Oh yeah.
Not Bobby Digital responds to them career.
Definitely.
You know?
Definitely.
Great.
Some of the very best ever albums that ever came out. Bobby Digital, the Sizzler, Black Woman and Child.
Right.
They did it again with The Real Thing. You know, nobody does that, but Bobby Digital did it twice. You know,
man, great. Bobby Digital, one of the greatest.
All right, so I'm gonna play a song, and we're gonna fast forward to 1994 with this one, right?
Yes.
And again, it's our next Ninja Ford song we love, right? So this one is 1994, and it shows your lyrical versatility in terms of you can talk about so many different topics. You know, you could talk about gone thing, gal picnic thing, like, you know, for instance, boss and them thing there. So this one is more of the conscious something. So we're gonna go into this one. So this is song number 3. So you can tell me about this. This is from the legendary Bobby Digital. It's not one of the most popular songs that you did with him, but my job is not to point out the most popular.
Okay. Right.
You know what I said? We're digging for hidden gems. So boom. All right. This is song number 3 from the living legend that is Sir Ford, also known as Ninja Ford.
Hear this. If life was a thing that money could have buy, the rich and live and the poor not be die. Ninja put up loop on the system and cry and say, oh me, oh my. Anyway, hey, what we want is just more regality. A full-time we worship humanity and stop worship the one knows of vanity. What we want is just more regality. A full-time we worship humanity
Well, the moral behind this message is that may I show the people them say put humanity is the highest, you know. Humanity over everything. Humanity over all vanity. You know. Alright, that's what it is.
Yes.
So may I point out to the big heads them say, not now go on. Help out poor people, you know, because some of the time not even water we can have to put in a pot to boil 2 can.
Yes.
Water gone. We just sound the alarm. There's another great one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me ask what Bobby Digital taught you, like personally, in terms of what did he what was his gift to you, you know, working with him? What are some of the things that you took away from him and you learned that you've always kept with you in your career?
Well, but Bobby Digital is a principal man, you know. He's a humble man, you know.
Yes.
And he's a man where, you know, in the foolishness, you know, in the joking thing.
Yes.
You know,
yes.
so that's one of the thing when we learn from him. And otherwise away from that, I can remember I got to Bobby Digital one time, you know, for Vice this tune I say cool. Ninja Ford colder than ice from the fool and I take no advice,
Yes.
you know, and they pick up the pieces, you know, and him look at me and say, no, Ninja Ford, don't vice any gun song on the rhythm. Turn it into a girl song.
Yes.
You know? And immediately me flip it, you know?
Yes.
Me flip it and me start sing I say boss, woman no boss and palav, uno what they wanna for the yard pam pam, and him say yes. Bad song.
Yes.
You know? So me and Bobby have some great moment.
Yes,
you know?
Yes, indeed. Oh, I should have probably spoke about this in the beginning, but one of your early, I believe it might have been your first album, which was a collaboration with you and Judas under Shocking Vibes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so obviously under Shocking Vibes, you got Patrick Roberts there, but you had, of course, Tony Kelly producing most of the rhythm them and Dave Kelly as well. What was it like working in that environment and dynamic?
The whole of them vibe there, you know, are some great vibe.
Yeah.
You know, because I want to make you know, I never record a song personally for a Dave Kelly or a Tony Kelly. But Dave Kelly and Tony Kelly, those are two of the greatest them.
Definitely.
In a dancehall.
Definitely.
So if you have them on the name, you know, alongside your record, you know, whether it's a producer or a arranger or the engineer, that are something great.
Yeah.
Something great that for me, you know.
Definitely.
It's all me see it as greatness, you know.
Definitely. And we love the works from all them time there. Definitely.
Yeah, Patrick Roberts is also a great producer, you know.
Yes.
How this album come about with me and
Judas.
Me and Judas now. Me I record some song for Patrick Roberts.
Yeah.
You know. And Patrick Roberts say he would love to put out an album with Ninja Ford versus Judas.
See.
Judas, I want a Ninja Man son too.
See. Yes.
So we are brothers.
Road boy for live and informer for dead, yes.
Yes. So when Patrick Roberts put the idea to me, it wasn't a problem. You know, me say simple thing.
Yeah.
Because Judas, me and him come from the same parish, St. Thomas, and away from that, we respect one another.
See.
So never have a problem. Me never have a problem with doing the album.
Boom. All right then. So I'm gonna, for the fourth song, I'm going to play. This one is actually one of the more popular ones, but it's popular for many reasons, and I will get into those reasons after we play the tune.
I wonder which one this.
So, it's 1995 again. This one is a popular one, so you shouldn't be surprised. Yes. But I do want to hear the story behind it. But I want to talk to it for other I want to talk about this song for other reasons outside of just this 45. So we have to see it, and
I don't feel that one, and I'll get me out of trouble, you know.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. All right.
All right. All right.
This is song number 4 for the living legend that is Sir Ninja Ford. All right, 1995. Yeah. So wicked tune. This. Hold on.
Hear this. Once again, Sturgeon silent assassin.
Okay.
I want some guy knows the girl. Them nowadays no one no chance to it. I no one point for love sing. The one Ninja Ford silent assassin. Early in the morning. Y'all call Ninja Ford when you want the loving. Early in the morning. Y'all call them smart when you want the loving. On a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday, a Friday, a Saturday, a Sunday. Early in the morning. Y'all call Dante when you want the loving. Early in the morning. Y'all call Ninja Ford when you want the loving. Experience man, not a puppet on string.
Yes, the message behind this song, you know, I put it out there to the girls, them, so them can call me any one of the early morning, them, to get the good loving.
Yes, sir. So,
yes, right, that's all.
Why I wanted to talk about this one and why I said it was very important is because this is one of the songs that, in my opinion, are one of the top 10 sound class songs of all time. Because when Ricky Trooper dropped this tune,
man, big up Ricky Trooper. Big up Ricky Trooper.
Yeah, man. And Kilo King Addies with that tune there.
Yes. Ricky Trooper bust that song, yeah.
Yes.
Ricky Trooper, the great Ricky Trooper, I'm bust that song, yeah.
Yes.
Well, all right. Back in the days, what we as artists used to do it, you know, is that we have the song more than one way. Because if you check out some other artists' catalog, you know, you can see that them have the song Girl Way, them have the song The Gangster Way, and sometimes them flip it also in a culture way. You know. So after me see we early out do over the clash with Addies and Trooper, you know, me I say me have to voice one song. Me have to voice a 45 with this early out.
Yeah.
So at the time that is the way how me choose to put the idea road. Early out any morning, girl calling road when you want the loving. It's still you can't get no better than that. Call the girl them. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, because
you can't get no better than that.
Yeah.
I call the woman them and I tell them say, call me early in the morning.
Yes.
Anytime when I want the loving. You know, so you can't get better than that, right? That's it. Good.
Pop. So yeah, man, loving the vibes. Wow.
Great.
So what I'm going to do here, because I was picking out 5 songs for you was very difficult because you know you have so many good quality children because you can't find some pure Ninja Ford song out there, you know. But you know, but this one I thought I would go with this one because it shows the comedy side of your you know, your lyricism and your skill, you know. Shows the versatility, and you know, you said that Ninja is a comedian and we know him for that, and he is. But not everybody knows this comedic side of you. So this is a song with your voice. We're gonna bring it up to the year of 2000, right? So this song, I listened to the whole tune and I've been dead with laugh because it's very funny once you get to the lyrics then. It also shows a vocal side of you where it has a little bit of singing in there too, right?
Okay.
All right, so this is song number 5. So we'll just see what you have to say about this tune. Yeah. I'm gonna let this one play a little piece so we can hear some of the lyrics them. So, you know, those who hear this and, you know, for the YouTube, when it gets out on YouTube in the future, you just sit down and laugh.
Go on the road.
Yes, man. So song number 5, the living legend that is Ninja Ford. What are they?
I'm Mr. Ninja Ford. I'm here say no more Mr. Nice Guy. We're not take no for a lullaby. Check it out. Yeah? Hey. I don't know why the two keep hiding on and on, on and on, on and on. Well, I don't know why the two keep hiding on and on, on and on, on and on. Bloody night, people tonight run the place. But the doctor be the man bigger than even me. Bloody night, that lies the artist where people sit with them eyes when they live and get the box. Bloody night, they are try to yike up. When they man look on you, you swear say a cyclops. Bloody night, Ninja the wickedest thing. I him kill the most DJ over sting. Bloody night, even if it have a cast bus. Artist jump fender, I pass him bus. Bloody night, no, truth of his speak. From his Alex bus out, zebra get charter speech. Bloody night, no, have my opinion. And Tony B was the first fireman. Bloody night, Chef Baby Rain should have reached. But who him get caught up with the old white witch? I don't know.
Well, this song now is a song with a whole heap of truth. You know, it's a reality song, but we just bring it off in a comedic way.
Yes.
You see me? But all of the things them when me say in it are things will happen in a real life.
Yes.
You see me? I say, yes, man. But we just choose to bring it off in a comedic way. Because it's not all the while you can serious. Sometimes the people them want a little joke. We laugh.
Definitely.
You know?
Definitely.
Yeah, man. Yes,
yeah.
I.
And that was a big rhythm, but for me personally, I will take the rhythm straight.
All right. All right. True blue. True
Yes,
blue.
True Blue. Yes. So I mean, so what was it like working with the True Blue gang? Because I don't, you know, are they still around making music? Because I ain't seen them for a while still.
Working with True Blue, you know, we never have a problem, you know, because you can listen to the song. It was all vibe, you know,
Yes.
great vibe.
Yes.
You know, you can hear it in the song. Because one thing you can tell with music, you know, whatsoever vibe you're going through at the time when you record the song, you're going to hear it in the record.
Yes, the vibes. Yes.
You're going to hear it in the song.
Yes.
So judge the song. You can judge the song off of whatsoever vibe you get from the song. You can know say this when Ford record this song, them have nothing but fun.
Yes,
because
of course.
You can hear the fun in the song.
Yes.
So I say, right, that's all. Wow. Yes, man. It was
So,
all great.
Of course, definitely. So I just want to say this. I say it to all of the guests that allow me to include them into this forum and whatnot. Is that you spend money, but you can get back any money that you lose and more, you know? You can,
yes.
Yeah, you can lose a partner, wife, husband, whatever, and you can get 4 more if you have it in you. But time is one thing that is spent that you never ever get back. So when I say I appreciate the fact that you have spent your time here with me and us on this forum, brethren, I mean that through the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for coming in here, sharing your history with us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. And I also thank the I, you know, to share the I platform with I.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Because we not be ungrateful, you know. We not go feel like say me need you more than you need me or you need me more than you know, it is not like that.
Yes.
The two of us, we need one another.
Yes,
yes. Just like how you need me if you have me on the platform, is the same way me need this platform also.
Well,
everything.
So yeah.
I want and wash the other.
No doubt.
I say the whole time people always say. And before I go,
yeah, please.
More of the people follow me on Instagram.
Yes. You
know, and check out the new song them on YouTube.
Yes.
You know. Just type in Surford or Ninja Ford.
Yes.
So I say, And you know, we still say, because a lot of people think I one song me sing, you know. Someone want to check out the thing. I want to know, say, Crocus Bag a song, I and I sing.
Of course. If you notice the tune that we play, I didn't play no regular Ninja Food. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to open up. Yeah. So I'm appealing to every sound man who this will get to, you know, in the future or whatnot. Make sure you have your Ninja Food in your dub box.
Yes,
all right?
Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, warn them.
Warn them.
Yeah, say, man. If them on a Ninja Food in them dub box, them all go a war, sound clash war, and them are go lose.
And dead.
Them are go lose. You see me I say?
Yes. Yes.
Because me one of the greatest. Yes. You know, one of the greatest when they come on to make it dub play.
Yes.
Them know that.
Yes, exactly. So this is my appreciation.
Always hear that, you know?
Yeah, man. Because unfortunately, like I said, the culture that we're in is very, very ungrateful and very forgetful. So, I mean, you know, unfortunately, we have to wait for a man dead before we prop him up and say, yo, he was great and he was this and he was that. I'm not trying to do that. So I'm just, you know, this is my duty to the music and the culture you know.
Them time all the flowers that them bring come and I cry the alligator water. It don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense
at that time, you know,
it's
because
too late.
Yeah, it's too late. A man dead, him not know what go on. You see me I say? So whatsoever you have to give him the honor and the flowers, you know, and cry the alligator alligator whole heap of water.
Yes, sir.
Right in front of him while him alive.
Yes.
You know, cry in front of him and say, you're great, you're the greatest.
Yes.
You see me I say? Yes. Or you're the best, or you're good, or whatsoever, or I rate you. You see me I say, and give him flowers.
Yeah.
You know, and give him ratings.
Props.
You see me I say,
yes.
Don't bother wait till when people dead on a ball, alligator tears, I shed alligator tears. A ball down the place.
Yes.
You know, no. Ball from now.
See it there?
While the man alive, ball in front of him and say, me rate you.
See it there?
Yes.
See,
him.
I say this all the time, but you see that it's coming from one of the greatest themselves. I know me, Cesar. I am Sir Ford Cesar. See, I say this all of the time. You see me? So I'm so glad you know I'm so glad you said it, you know, yourself, and it's true.
A real thing, man. But I the same thing I want you to talk about last night. I want dance. You know, the youth I say Ford. Right now you stand up here, so you know, and some people would look on you, you know, like he's nobody.
Them no know, yeah.
You see me I say?
Them no know.
And you mention about the younger selector them. He include himself in it too, because he is also a young selector, you know.
Yeah.
He must say what really cause make some of the time the fans them forget about them artists or them rate or them don't know about certain artists. It's because of them see him on the selector, because them not playing. The selector are the teacher, you know. Selector are one of the teacher. The disc jockey them is also teachers of the music.
Yes,
so may I say?
Of course.
So whatsoever the teacher present to you, the teacher will teach you what the teacher want you to learn.
Definitely.
So may I say? So if the selectors them teach the student them, which is the audience, say a one artist you have, one artist when you pung pang. You see me I say? Them a pung pang alone, them are gonna know about, because that them I get every day from the teacher.
Exactly.
You see me I say? If these people have this great influence, you know, upon the people them out there. Show them say you have one artist named Pung Pang, one named Dung Dang, one named Ring Rang, one named this and that, and several more. The people them I go say, that's so much artists, the boy, instead of think that it's just one artist.
Of course. Of course.
Yeah, man. So what the youth did I say to me last night? It's a very valid point him come up with, you know. Yes, man.
Mm-hmm. And it's what I usually say to people anyway, because me as a selector, I always tell people, say, yo, when them say, oh, yeah, do you play cartel or do you play rare? Listen, I play, for the most part, me play 90s. Why? Because nobody no cater or response for the 90s. When everybody play 90s, are the same song we hear. They don't play no Baby Wayne, them not play no Ninja Ford, them not play simple.
Yeah, man. For real.
I just said tune them I play 19, you know, every single So my job, I see myself as a selector. I'm a doctor. So you the people you come to tell me your symptoms, which is I want to enjoy myself. So I will then give you the medicine. You don't tell me what the medicine is. Me will give you the medicine. And when we get to you, you're gonna love it. So when we drop some Ninja Ford, you love it.
Are you the doctor, you know? So are you up to know what type of medicine them want?
Yes, sir.
Yes, man.
Yo, Father, we got 1 minute left, so I just had to again express my gratitude to you. Thank you for sharing this platform with us and sharing your history and some of your story. And we just want to say big up for the rest of your career and what you're doing. And I myself will do my best to try and echo whatever it is that you are working with to share on social media and rare. So, boom. Again, gratitude.
Yes, my brother. And I also grateful, you know, for what they are also doing right now. You know?
Respect me, G. Respect.
Give thanks to the platform, you know.
Yes, sir.
Give thanks, you know.
Yes, sir.
Give thanks they allow me to be a part of the great platform we have, you know.
Respect.
As artists, we need them things, you know. We need the great platform. Them people are see on the great platform. Them and know say you know. Especially we where some people now hear
Yes. So this is why it was so important for me to have you on here. But big man, we're gonna get kicked out, so I'm just gonna lock off right now so I can save it.
And before I go, I want to remind the people them want to follow me on Instagram.
Definitely.
Sir Ford, aka Ninja Ford. Big up yourself, my brother.